get ready to turn this Celtic knot. Now our knot is 1 inch long, and we want it to be in the middle of the blank, so we go a 1/2 inch above and then 2 inches, and that will give us the length, our 2 inch. This is going to be on a slimline pin. First thing we do is square up the end here, get it to our proper length. Well, I have two methods of drilling my blanks. One is on this, my turning lathe, and the other is drill press. The main thing when you use this is you got to make sure that your blank is square to get it dead center. Otherwise you're going to have a problem centering it up. I put my bit almost up to it like this in place, and I'm on slowest speed right now, so as you know, you go in, back out. Well, this is cleaning out, the flute's clean out pretty good. That's the maximum of my quill on this is 2 inches. And there's 1/2 of it, and we repeat. Alright, now that's sanded to 400. Now we clean it. Denatured alcohol. And we'll boil linseed oil. Bring out the grain and cover. And we'll put on our first coat of CA. Second coat. And we got 7 coats of CA on it. And we're going to put some plastic polish on it. Very good. Put another coat. I usually do 2 of these. I don't know how well that shows up on the camera, but it's got a good shine on it. Well, now I've got this Celtic knot turned, and it's time to assemble it on a pin. And I have chosen gold hardware to go with it, and just a plain slimline. And let's put it together. We start our assembly by putting the nib into the bottom. Okay, got a good joint there. Now, put the cap in, and I got a little ring. You can see that or not there. I'm going to put that at the top. Get it started. We'll press it all the way in see where I want to put my clip, and we'll put it over this, the smallest part of it. Now we add our transmission. That's not a transmission, that's a tube. Keep going straight. And if you assemble a few of these slimlines, you know, to go to that little ring and stop and check and see how much you get out. And I like to get just a little bit more than that. So try again. Okay, I like that. Now we put our ring on, and then our cap. Need to work fine, and there's our slimline Celtic knot in cherry and ash. Thank you for spending the time with me and watching me as I built this pen from the blank to finish. And if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share. And I thank you until the next one. Have a good day.